Hey, I'm Tom. Welcome back to my channel, Take Time to Travel. Today I'm going to take you on a walking tour in Tokyo. We're going to visit the Tsukiji Fish Market and the Shinjuku area. Now we're going to start off the first part with the fish market. It's a very vibrant area with lots of fresh fish and seafood. We walked around in there. It was February, early morning hours, so quite cold with our coats on. When you're in the Tokyo area, this is an absolute must-see for you. You've got to go there. You'll get the most amazing fresh sushi that you could ever imagine. Have a look.
We can cut egg roll for you. You need inside.
Baked meat.
The next part of my tour is the bustling Shinjuku area of Tokyo. It's known for its many bars, restaurants, clubs, and karaoke rooms. We'll take a walk down memory lane during the daytime, and then in the evening, I'll let you see the bright lights and the busy streets of the Shinjuku area. Take a look. hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of it. Catch you on the next one.